Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Fiverr affiliates easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Fiverr affiliates, visit the official Fiverr affiliates website. Click on the Join Now button to create your account. Fill out the registration form with your accurate details. Make sure to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. Once registration is complete, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on that link to verify your email address. Now, log in to your new Fiverr affiliates account. You will be greeted by a dashboard displaying various affiliate tools. Navigate to the Promotions section to explore marketing materials. Choose the banners, texts, or links that suit your promotional strategy. Copy your unique affiliate link, which tracks your referrals. Decide where you want to share this link on a blog, social media, or elsewhere. Next, familiarize yourself with the commission structure on Fiverr. Understand the different services you can promote as an affiliate. Start creating content that resonates with your target audience. Incorporate your affiliate link seamlessly into your content. Monitor your dashboard regularly to track clicks and earnings. Use the analytics provided to refine your promotional strategies. Stay updated with any Fiverr promotions or new features. Engage with the Fiverr affiliates community to exchange tips and strategies. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully using Fiverr affiliates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.